कोणे स्टेटमेंट करचे पयलीं एक स्टडी करपाक जाय. तोंड आसा म्हूण कितें उलयलें म्हूण जावचें ना. लोकांक दिशाभूल और गव्हर्नमेंट कांय करना फक्त सांगपाक जाय म्हूण सांगचें न्ही अशें हांव गिरीश चोडणेकराक जो प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ काँग्रेस पार्टी आहा ताका सांगता. पोल्युशन बोर्ड इज वर्किंग डिलिजंटली. दे हॅव मेड ऑल जे तांकां रिक्वायरमेंट जे कितें करपाक जाय एट सायंटिफीक लेवल और इन सायंटिफीक मॅनर और वॉट सायन्स इज. आतां गिरीशाची दुसरी सायन्स आहा जाल्यार आमकां खबर ना. तो जर सायंटिस्ट जर दुसरे भाशेन कितें सांगता जाल्यार तेणें आमकां एक रेप्रेजेंटेशन दिवचें की अशें अशें तुमी कितें करता तें सारकें न्ही पूण म्हजें सायन्स अशें सांगता. म्हजें सायन्स अशें सांगता आनी त्या सायन्सान म्हणलें तुवें करचें जाल्यार तेंय आमकां करपाक रेडी कांय प्रॉब्लम ना. गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्ड इन 2014 ऑनवर्ड्स they have sealed the tanks of the casinos of waste discharge. So discharge करपाक जाय जाल्यार they are called. Who is called? Goa Pollution Board is called. Captain of Ports representative comes and the seals are broken. Pumps are put inside that tank of sewage and discharged on a dump barge. And this dump barge is monitored by our people. If now he says our people are government people are also not to be I don't know, then we'll appoint Congress people as government people. That's what we want. And whatever discharge which is measured in the tank, we will measure it scientifically, not Girish Chodankar scientist, not what Girish Chodankar says. From 1st of July, water audit. This is what I have said. Water audit means incoming water and outgoing sludge, whatever is there, we are going to monitor. We have a team of scientists in our Goa Pollution Control Board and they will do it. हे कजिनो जे चालू जाल्ले आहा हे बीजेपी गव्हर्मेंटान म्हाका दिसता गोंयभर लोकांक खबर आहा आमी करूंक ना. People may criticize me for a statement. I am not bothered. But what I am saying, it is a policy which the government has to take. I am with the government also. We will find solution and practical solution. आज खंय तरी गेमिंग कमिशन करूं ना. We will all sit and we will find solution. I am not making any promises, but as fast as possible, we will put, the state government will put gaming commission in the casino. As this statement I am making on behalf of the Chief Minister since he is not here.